Hi everyone, today I'm taking a look at PolarPro's new half-strength diffusion gold mist filter. Now this is in their Peter McKinnon range of filters, and I have it in the Helix filter system. Now the Helix filter system is a magnetic locking filter system. It's really quick to take these filters on and off your camera, and it's very secure. I have actually used Helix system filters in 150-mile-per-hour winds hanging out the window of an airplane and not been worried about them accidentally falling off. They are very secure and very cool. Anyway, let's take a look at the filter itself. Now, this is actually intended to emulate Kodak Portra 400 film, which is really interesting, and it does that in kind of a unique way. So let's open it up here, and you might be able to see the gold mist particles sparkling in there, which is pretty cool. So the gold particles in the filter are only half the story, because this also uses digital presets in, say, Lightroom to really dial in the look you're going for, really help you emulate that Kodak Portra 400 look. And at least that's the theory, and that's what we're going to test out here today. I'm going to take some pictures, get it onto the computer, and see if we can get that Kodak Portra 400 look. So without further ado, let's go take some photos. So to start off, we're going to take a couple of side-by-side comparison shots with and without the filter attached to see exactly what it's doing here with the image. And we're going to use the same subject for both shots and just get the sort of base level comparison of before and after. So first we're going to take the filter off, take a picture, pop it back on, take another picture. So just pixel peeping here on my camera, I can tell the effect is quite subtle, and I do believe I need to go test it with a much wider range of subjects, which is what we're going to do right now. So after a few days of testing out the PolarPro CineGold filter, I'm pretty happy with the results I've been getting. As mentioned, it is a very subtle filter. You get a little bit of extra softness and a little bit of that golden glow, and it's just enough to add a little bit of extra special sauce to your images. And then of course you can go in post-processing and amplify that with the presets which are included with the filter. And those presets, you know, really do achieve a very dramatic effect. And I really like this concept that PolarPro is going for here of using a physical filter combined with digital effects. You know, you get that physical filter first to lay down the foundation for what your goal is there with your image, and then you use the digital effects to amplify that and dial in that look that you're going for, whether it's Portra Pro 400 or one of the other several effects that are included with this lens. It's very, very cool. I've really had a lot of fun testing it out, and I can definitely recommend it if you're looking to get a different look with your images. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye!